Hello everyone and welcome back to Wearholic. In today's video, I'm going to show you some cool features of the CMF Watch Pro 2. As you know, this watch does not support third-party app installation, so I have discovered these tips and tricks from its limited features. Some tips might be common knowledge for you. If that's the case, feel free to skip them and move on to the next one. But before we start the video, I want to highlight that out of these 9 features, the last one is incredibly helpful for every CMF watch user. Whether you have the Pro 1 or Pro 2, this feature is always beneficial, so make sure not to miss it. The first one is the hidden menu. CMF Watch Pro 2 has a hidden menu. To access it, first you need to go to the menu, scroll down and open Settings. Now at the bottom you will find About. Tap on it. Now you will see the version here. Tap on it 10 to 15 times to open the hidden menu. You will see that a message is written in Chinese on the screen. I translated this message with the help of the iPhone, and translating the message reveals that this menu is for activating test mode. The second feature is its quick gestures. Quick gestures are rare in this price segment, but the Nothing Watch Pro offers 2 gestures: rotate wrist and shake wrist. You can customize these gestures to perform actions like opening an app, controlling the camera and music, or activating the voice assistant and workout mode. This feature is very helpful for me as I commonly use the watch voice assistant and workout functions daily. If you want to watch a complete video on how to set up and use the gestures, then tap on the I button. The third feature is a custom watch face. This affordable watch allows you to add your favorite photo to the watch face, making it more personalized. First, open the app and tap on the watch icon. In the dial gallery, tap on More. Select the custom option. Tap on the add icon to upload an image. You can select the image of your choosing. I'm selecting this one. After adding the image, tap on the Style tab to change the watch face style according to your preference. I'm selecting this one. And that's it. Now tap on the Set to Current Watch Face and tap on Yes. As you can see, I have set a custom watch face on my CMF Watch Pro 2. The fourth feature is the reminder function. Trust me, this is a very useful feature for everyone. Here's how to set it up. First, open the CMF Watch app and go to the watch icon. Now scroll up and tap on Reminder. Tap on the add icon and enter the details of the reminder. Tap on Notify to access more options. Here you can edit the date, time and select if you want the reminder to repeat. The best part is you can customize the reminder according to your needs, setting it as a one-time alert or having it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, yearly on a custom schedule. You can also mark it as completed so you will not merge your upcoming reminders and the completed ones. From now, you will always remember your wedding anniversary because the CMF Watch Pro 2 reminder is here to remind you. Number 5 is the remote camera and music control. The watch can serve as a camera remote for the camera of your connected phone. Simply tap the watch to capture the moment you want, which is great for taking group selfies. Additionally, the music control feature allows you to manage music playback on your connected phone right from your wrist. You can also streamline these functions by setting them up with quick gestures. Number 6 is the widget feature. You can customize the watch widgets according to your preference. To access the widgets, swipe left on the watch face to view important data at a glance. For customization, follow these steps. Open the CMF Watch app and tap on the watch icon. Now scroll down and select Widgets. You'll see 4 widgets. Tap on any of them to edit. Here, you can add or remove widgets for specific apps to view your data you find most useful. For convenience, I have added weather data. Tap on Edit to sort and rearrange the widgets according to your preference. That's it. Now you can see important data on the go. Number 7 is especially useful for those users who use the watch for calling. If you receive a call and see only the phone number, it can be hard to identify the caller. To solve this, you can add up to 30 contacts. For this, open the CMF Watch app and tap on the watch icon. Now scroll up and tap on Contacts. Tap on the Add button to add up to 30 contacts. After doing this, your watch will display the caller's name, helping you easily identify who is calling. Number 8 is Find My Phone. This feature is especially useful if you often misplace your phone. The CMF Watch Pro 2 includes a dedicated app to help you find it. To use it, go to the menu and select the Find My Phone app. As soon as you tap on it, your phone will start ringing. You can also locate your watch from the connected phone. To do this, open the CMF Watch app on your phone. Tap on the watch icon, scroll down and select More. Tap on Find Device to locate your watch. Keep in mind that both your watch and phone need to be connected via Bluetooth, as the Nothing Watch Pro does not support Wi-Fi. This feature adds convenience and peace of mind by helping in quickly locating your phone or watch when needed. Lastly, this tip is very helpful for all CMF Watch Pro 2 and CMF Watch Pro users. You might be aware that these watches have bugs and some features may not work properly. Finding solutions online can be challenging, but you can get help directly from the officials. For this, open the app and tap on the profile icon. Select FAQs and choose your watch model. Explore the product features and tap on Troubleshooting to find the solution for common issues. If you can't find a solution here, then leave a comment below and subscribe to Wearholic. I will provide you with better solutions. Aside from these features, the Nothing Watch Pro offers a wide range of functionalities, including alarm, call reminder, fitness tracking, calculator, and more. To explore all these features in detail, check out the CMF Watch Pro 2 guide by tapping on the I button for more information. That's all for today's video. Let us know in the comments if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.